coming at you live! That's even if they are alive, Jay! That is true! Eggs. Severe thunderstorm hitting Mega Pizzaplex. Jeez, I'd hate to be those sorry clankers. Whoa, like, Eggs, what the? Cut the camera, cut the camera, cut the camera! What? Cut the camera! Okay, remember, you're not allowed to do that. Okay, not allowed to say stuff. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We're back. That's right, Eggs. A severe thunderstorm around the Super Mega Pizzaplex. I'm Jay. You're Eggs. You forgot your name again. Oh yeah. Thunderstorm hitting Mega Pizzaplex. It's gonna turn off every single light in the building. I'd hate to be that electrician, Jay. Yep, that is true. They're all gonna die. Yeah, they probably are. Okay. Next up to the news. Next up onto the news. Child gets ran over by ice cream truck. Who threw that camera at me? Talk about a sweet treat over there.
Alright, Luno. It's just, we're gonna have some fun today. You excited?
Yes, it's a maparata. We can play it.
What kind of day is this?
Oh, son. You're my precious sunshine. Every time I see your face, it lights up my day.
Are you gonna leave me here, Luno?
You're the brightest star in the night sky for me. And you'll always have me, superstar. Oh.
Luno! Luno! Oh, hi, lovebirds.
No. Now, excuse me.
That was a horrible throw.
Hey.
Hey.
Wait. Oh, hi, Moon.
Morning.
What's up, Moon?
Hello, superstar.
Just came to tell you that a thunderstorm's about to happen.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah. Clean up.
Luno. Yeah, a thunderstorm. What's wrong?
None.
Stupid barrels.
So, Son is a little clumsy. Son, you're clumsy.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch
You're
the barrels.
clumsy.
Sorry.
You're clumsy.
Sorry.
I'm being clumsy.
I'm sorry.
No one touch the barrels.
Okay. So, what could go wrong? I mean, like, seriously, what could go wrong? Oh no! Wait,
The power's out.
the power's out. What?
Papa.
What's wrong? What's wrong, son? What's wrong?
Lights on.
Son, it's okay. Hey, listen to my voice. I'm here.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, superstar.
It's okay.
I'll keep you safe.
I'll go check on him.
It's okay.
I'll check on him.
Don't worry. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. It's okay. Son?
I'll go check on him. Everyone,
Sunshine, it's gonna be okay.
everyone, just calm down. Stay right here. I'm gonna go check on him. Moon.
Star,
Papa.
I'm here for you.
Papa.
Dad.
It's okay. We'll get you some light.
Papa.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's past your bedtime.
It's just me.
must be punished.
That's not Dad. That's not Dad. Luno, run! Luno, go! Luno, run! Everyone run! Get out of here! Everyone, please hide! Everyone, hide! What do you want? Get away!
Past your bedtime.
It's not you, Moon! Moon, it's not you. Please. Please. Moon. Please. Please.
Superstars, run!
Guys, holy shit, that is not Moon! That is not Moon. That is not Moon. That is not your dad, Luno. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. Everyone. Luno, come on. Luno, we gotta go. Come on, go. Go. Luno, just please trust me. Come on, Luno. We gotta hide together. Come on, brother. I'm so sorry. Luno.
Moon comes here. I want you both to run. I will deal with him.
But we are not letting you do that, son.
You take Luno and go. If I go, I be dead.
It's not your papa. Run, Luno, come on. Luno, come on.
Papa.
He's got son. He's got son. Come on. We need to get out of the daycare. We need to go somewhere else. Come on. It's okay, Luno. It's okay. Come here. Luno.
What happened to Tati? What happened?
What happened? What did you do to son? It's okay. Come here. I'm gonna protect you.
Lulu, go!
Go! Without me now! Sorry. Get back! The lights are on. Is that you, Moon? Moon? Papa! I think that is. Moon! Wait! Papa! Moon! Moon, please! Please! Moon? Come on. Papa. Come on. Moon? Can we come in?
Stay. No.
Come on, Luno. Luno, come on. Luno, just come here.
Get away. Get away.
Let's go get some. No, Luno, no. Get out of my damn way.
Go away!
I need to go check on them. Where are they at? Freddy! Freddy, are you okay? Freddy, where's son? Where is Sun?
Sunshine! Sunshine!
Where's Sun? Sun?
Sun!
Sun! Oh no. Where's he at? Where is Sun? The last time when it was dark, he was here. Sun! Sun! Oh, Sun! Freddy, I found him! Sun, are you okay? Oh, he's...
Son? Son? Hey, superstar. Hey, it's okay. We're okay.
We're okay.
I'm here. We're okay.
Good. Everyone's fine.
You're gonna be okay.
Oh.
Where is he?
Moon? He's not in good condition. Freddy, you please understand. It was not Moon. It was someone. Please understand.
I know. The lights went out.
I know, Freddy.
I just hope he's okay.
I just hope everyone's okay. What about Roxanne, Glamrock Chica, Glamrock Mangle, like everyone? They were in. What about your kids? What about Apollo?
That's okay.
It will be okay. It will be okay.